smiles and जिसका मन प्रकाश में आगे बढ़ने के लिए प्रशिक्षित करता है वह आसक्ति के दासत्वों का आत्मसमर्पण करता है। दासत्व से मुक्ति पाने में ही प्रसन्नता महसूस करता है।
Thought. Success starts with heavy selling, not from comfort zone. I repeat my thought. Success starts with heavy selling, not from comfort zone. Thank you and have a thought.
Knowledge is the power, and to stay updated is to stay empowered.
And we are today's news reporters. International news. Ex-Sri Lankan president got arrested for misusing funds. UN backed report claims Gaza under Hamas blames Israel. Facing a leading crisis, Denmark to me looks cheaper.
National news. India successfully launched new satellite. ISRO launched NavSat-2 to improve communication and internet in remote areas. Government announces new educational initiative. Students in rural areas will get digital learning devices.
Today, I am going to speak on the topic success is a series of challenges. We all dream of success, but the truth is that success does not come overnight. It is not a straight road, but a journey filled with struggles, failures, and challenges. Every obstacle you face is like the test of our patience, courage, and determination. Challenges.
Everyone and all present here. Today, class 8B is going to conduct the assembly and the topic is mathematics is the most beautiful and the most powerful creation of the human spirit. Before starting the assembly, I would like to say that maths is a subject in which everyone can score good marks if the concepts are clear. So let's start our assembly with the morning prayer. Beautiful thought on our topic.
Good morning. Thought of the day. Mathematics reveals its secret only to those who can approach it with pure love for its own beauty. I repeat my thought. Mathematics reveals its secret only to those who approach it with pure love for its own beauty. Thank you and have a thoughtful day.
Poem.
Numbers dance pattern blows in math. There so much to know. Numbers dance pattern blow in math. There so much to know. Shapes and some puzzle are bright. Math turn darkness into light. Beautiful, powerful, true and grand. Math is a magic crafted by hand. Thank you.
Some important facts by my friend Divyansh and Dhruv.
What is the value of pi up to 2 decimal places?
3.14.
Who is known as the father of geometry?
Euclid.
What is Fibonacci sequence?
It is a sequence where each number is the sum of two numbers before it.
Which Indian mathematician is known for his brilliant work in number theory?
Srinivas Ramanujan.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Speech on our topic by my friend Bhavya and Shashwat.
Good morning, respected teacher, principal, and my dear friends. Today I am here to speak on the topic mathematics is the most beautiful and the powerful creation of human spirit. Mathematics is everywhere around us, even in the skies, in the flowers, patterns, and many of the other things.
Mathematics teaches us to think logically, solve problems, and never give up until we find a solution. It also increases our creativity and shapes our mind and helps us in every profession, whether we are doctors, engineers, artists, or musicians. Thank you.
Class 8 challenges got this opportunity to conduct students morning assembly, and our topic is the best annual day that I experienced. Today is the best way to connect with God. So let us join our hands and close our eyes to morning prayer. Whole day. So I invite my friend Riddhi to say a positive thought.
Start your day with focus and it with achievement. Start your day with focus and it with achievement. Thank you. Have a thoughtful day.
Speech.
Today I am here to share my views on the best annual day I experienced in Savai. Annual Day has been a great celebration in our school, but the one which I am going to talk about was truly unforgettable. It was of year 2019 and the atmosphere was truly awesome. The entire campus was adorned with lights, colors and creativity. The stage became a canvas where students painted their skills with excellence. The another reason that makes it unforgettable was that it was my first stage performance in Savite. Stepping into the spotlight, I felt both excited and nervous, but once the music started, I enjoyed every moment. Overall, the annual day function was not just entertaining, but also a great way to showcase our talent. It was a magnificent confluence of talent and tradition that has attached itself in my memory. Thank you and have a nice day.
I invite my friend Tanishka to say a beautiful poem.
Good morning, poem. The stage is set, the lights are glow, a vibrant buzz, a happy flow. Our annual day, a early treat where every student's talent meet. From morning starts to evening end, a time to learn, to grow, to blend. The cheers, the smiles, the proud parent gaze, lost in the magic of these days. For in that moment, we were more than just a name upon the score. We were a team with hearts so bright, shining together, battled in night. Thank you and have a nice day.
News headlines.
Good morning to Vandana present here. I Ashirot and I Shobhashan and we are today's news reporters. International news. First, UN Security Council meets over South China Sea tensions. Second, Asian markets makes Japan up Chinatown on big data. National news. First, flood in Jammu Kashmir, heavy rain triggered flood and landslide killing 30 plus people. Second, pending appointments may see a push as BJP, RSS eye a narrow window of data. Sports news. Josh Butler 70 leagues. Northern Superchargers stuck in third. Second, Chiteshwar Pujara, India's iconic test batter, retires with 7,195 runs and 19 centuries. Third, Chiteshwar Pujara retires. Why this era of test batsmanship was Pujara's as much as it was Virat Kohli. Thank you and have
And standard issue for students.
And teachers.
Good morning, sisters and teachers.
School assembly dispersed.
Welcome to today's assembly and our topic is the significance of networking with people. If the God helps you, then no one can overcome on you. If the God forces you, who could help you then? Prayer song. A beautiful thought in the morning can change a whole day. So let us listen a beautiful thought by my friend Disha. Thought. Networking isn't about just connecting people. It's about connecting people with people, people with ideas, and people with opportunities. Thank you and have a thoughtful day. For a deeper insight into our topic, we have a speech by my friend Jaishwarya. Have you ever noticed how one good connection can completely change your path? Good morning everyone, this is Jaishwarya Trivedi and today I'm going to tell you about the significance of networking. Networking is more than just meeting pupils, it's about building real, meaningful relationships. It gives us fresh ideas, confidence and opportunities that we might never discover on our own. Even in school, when we connect with teachers and classmates, we gain confidence, learn teamwork and today's news reporter. National news. First, on 29 August, India and Japan agreed to strengthen their partnership with more advancement, clean energy projects and acumen for Indian youth. Second, Reliance has launched a new project called Reliance Intelligence to make artificial intelligence accessible for people across.
Sports news. Lack of clarity and security made the Tamil Nadu Ranji team face Vijay Shankar. Neeraj Chopra finishes second in.
We learn from each other, we grow and we share. Opportunities come, connections are there. The success is not single, it thrives when we mingle. The true significance of networking is networking with people. Thank you. Vocabulary words.
Good morning. Vocabulary words. Mentorship. Guidance from an experienced person. Prospects. Future opportunities gained from networking. Empowerment. Giving or gaining confidence in strength to connection. Resonance. Creating a meaningful, lasting impact in relationships. Outreach. Extending help or building connections with others. Thank you. Have a meaningful day.
Kashvi Sharma from Class 8 Explorers is going to conduct today's assembly on our topic, Your Role in Shaping the Future. Now let us begin without obsession over the result. Prayer song. Now let's enlighten our mind with today's thought. Good morning everyone. Today's thought is, it is the present that makes our future. What we do today will be observed or even felt in the coming millennium. I repeat my thought. It is the present that makes our future. What we do today will be observed or even felt in the coming millennium. Thank you. Have a thoughtful day. Poem gives the base to our thought. So I invite my friend Radhika to recite a beautiful poem. हम ही लिखेंगे भविष्य की कहानी, मेहनत से मिलती है असली निशानी, पढ़ाई से ऊंचे सपनों को पाना, ज्ञान की दीप से जीवन सजाना, साहस रखो आगे बढ़ो निरंतर, बदल जाएगा जिंदगी का हर मंजर, कर्तव्य निभाकर नाम चमकाएंगे, हम भारत का भविष्य बनाएंगे. थैंक यू एंड हैव अ नाइस डे. Now I would like to call Maya to deliver a short speech on our topic. Good morning everyone. Today I am going to speak about a topic that is your role in shaping the future. Future is not something that just happens. It is something that we create with our thoughts, actions and choices today. Each one of us, no matter how young we are, have the role to play the better tomorrow. As a student, my role begins with the learning and gaining the knowledge. Education is not something about scoring the marks. It is about gaining the knowledge and being the responsible human being. Thank you. To keep us connected with the world around us, let us hear today's news headline. Good morning. I am Aranya. And we are today's news reporter. International news. First, Latin America country to launch own AI model in September. Second, Russia-China opposed discriminatory sanction against PRICS. Country says Putin.
National news. First, Chennai ranked 21st among safest cities for women. Third, PM Modi announced resumption of direct flight to China. Fourth, government launched Adivasi language translation app. Thank you.
Survey news from today onward, activity exam are going to start. Second, term 1 examination will be starting from 8th of September. Third, on 30th August, the essay writing competition on the theme Tata Building India was successfully conducted. Thank you.